If the prime ministerial candidate of the BJP says in language in a public meeting, chun chun ke saaf karo, which translates into English, since I know both languages, let us eliminate them one by one. There is a level of intolerance built into the ideology.
Okay.
Which
Mr. Pawan Verma doesn't have an experience in making a public speech. That's his problem, it seems.
Oh, don't get personal, please, on this one. No, don't get personal on this one. No, don't get personal on this one.
When
1
you
minute.
speak in public, there is a certain language which is used, and you cannot translate
1 minute.
to a drawing room
Between both of
And I
you.
would not like to emulate him. And may no politician have that experience.
Jai Narayan Vyas's turn to respond, please.
Mr. Pawan Verma, you're too far to even emulate and think and a visionary like Narendra Modi and his
I do not
popularity.
wish to.
So please,
Thank you
please,
so
you have
much.
just
I do
come
not
from a
wish to.
bureaucracy.
You
hang
can
here.
continue with your loyalty. You can
You hang
continue
here,
with
that
your
will be
loyalty
better.
competition.
But don't try to emulate what Mr. Narendra Modi can do
But don't make
in while
personal
making
attacks. This
speeches,
is,
and there
again
is
you are
a
making
different
a personal
discourse.
attack.
I'm sorry,
This is
Mr.
your
Pawan Verma,
strategy,
there is a
this is your
different
idiom,
discourse when
this
you
is your
speak in the
language,
public. You
this
don't
is your
translate
approach,
into
this
a
is your
drawing room
attitude.
and then
You can
criticize.
only make personal attacks. You have no
It's not an
brief,
attitude.
you have no agenda, you have
it is
no
sad
vision.
that
It's
an
only
intellectual
personal
and a
attacks.
learned man like you, because you have joined JDU, is making these remarks. Had you been a bureaucrat,
personal
you would
level
not
of the
have
attack.
made these kind of remarks
Let-
or a translation.
Siddharth Singh, can I say one thing to you?
Of course,
Can I say
would
one
not.
thing to you? Can I ask you one thing, Siddharth? 1 second. 1 second. By the way, 1 second, Siddharth. What's going on here? I mean, is it today a classified crime to disagree with your view? Or for that matter, with the Congress view?
No?
We have nothing
Welcome.
to say. You can hear his hardline response.
But if somebody is
The
giving a wrong
intolerance
view,
is
So- so
evident
one
in the
second.
Rajnath
I have
Singh's
the right to
response.
reply
I think
back
Pawan
to him.
Verma
So
expressed
1 minute.
take my reply,
And look at
my
the
right
asset-
away.
No, I don't
That's a
think.
big response.
I say I want
absolutely
from
massive
my
intolerance.
experience, and I'm saying from my experience, I have said this today. No political party is a friend of the media. The media stands apart and independent from political parties. Not necessarily always in a state of conflict, but certainly not in conformity. And any attempt to co-opt the media must be fought and defeated, as is an attempt to muzzle the media. Now, can I please move on to some facts? Because I believe, 1 second. Ashok, I'm just coming to you. I feel, can we spend some time questioning some of the facts which both sides have put to each other?
Sure, absolutely.
Are you ready? Jai Narayan Vyas, I'll put the first question to you sorry, I'm coming to you 25 minutes into the debate, but I'm sorry about that. But here's the question. Are we ready to question some of the facts? My first question goes to Jai Narayan Vyas. Jai Narayan Vyas, Ajay Maken says,
Please go ahead.
no assembly session in Gujarat is complete without throwing opposition MLAs out of the house. And the Gujarat CAG report was not even discussed in the assembly. Why is he saying this? Because he says that your position on these issues is hollow, shallow, and meaningless. Do you agree that factually Mr. Ajay Maken is 100% right?
If you permit me, Arnab, to tell you what is the exact position, this simply exposes Ajay Maken's total ignorance about parliamentary process.
Okay.
CAG report, as and when he comes, as a formality, is simply required to be laid on the table of the assembly. It is never discussed. It goes to the Public Accounts Committee via the Speaker, and Public Accounts Committee is headed by a senior member of the opposition, which then, department by department, grill the concerned departments on the remarks raised by the CAG, and in most of the cases, if they are convinced, they drop the remarks
I sense
and
you're
they
on the back
come up with the final report.
Do I get a
that
feeling you're on the back
Here is
foot?
our report.
Am I
That
right?
is required.
Am I right that you're on the back?
That is required. Not understand. Arnab,
Am I right? Am I right? You're
Don't
on the
stop
back
me in the
foot on
middle.
this one?
What is required to be discussed? No, not the list. I am explaining to you why Maken is wrong.
No, but is it true or not that in March 2012?
Not the CAG report.
Is it true or not that in March 2012?
What is discussed,
No,
Mr.
1 minute.
Arnab Goswami? What is discussed, Mr.
Jai Narayan
Arnab
Vyas.
Goswami? Listen to me.
Jai Narayan
Listen
Vyas.
to me. What is discussed in the assembly is not CAG report. It is the report presented by Public
Why isn't it
Accounts
discussed in
Committee,
the Assembly?
not by the CAG. What are we talking?
Mr.
It
Vyas,
shows
don't
absolute,
lose your
total and even
Don't
preliminary
lose the
ignorance
fact.
of the
Why is
knowledge of the
CAG
parliamentary
report
process.
being concealed from the public? Everybody knows the
is the
staggering
fact.
amount of corruption in Gujarat in the CAG report is above 36,000 crores.
1 second,
Is that why you don't want to discuss
You know,
that?
that's not-
Now, Sanjay,
You know,
please, Sanjay, please,
Arnab, the difference is, I'll come to the second point if you permit me. I have kept quiet for 25 minutes.
And
You
you have
must
the
permit me my
confidence
turn.
to
This is
raise the
unfair.
issue in,
I am not here to
Gujarat.
listen to all kinds of comments which are irrelevant. Let me
don't
finish
lose
my
your temper.
argument. Second thing, if you are talking about Ajay Makan, his press note is totally packed of lies. I tell you, he has said one of the things that Human Rights Commission does not exist in Gujarat. Now, he doesn't know that this commission is fully with the 3 members and headed by nothing less than the former Chief Justice of Bihar, Justice Bhatt. And it has another
No,
2
don't
members.
move the subject.
One,
I'll come
former
to the
Legal
Human Rights
Secretary,
Commission
Mr.
issue
Shah,
when
who
I
is from
want.
Judiciary,
No, 1
and
minute. Now I'm
Mr.
going to
Sinha,
interrupt
who
you.
is
No,
an
1 second,
administrative
please. I'm capable
member.
of interrupting
So,
him.
it is
Ms. Sanjay Jha, please.
absolutely wrong
Sanjay Jha,
to
please.
say,
1 second.
and totally away from the facts to say, this is
see-
what is Ajay Makan.
Mr. Jai Makan,
This is what is Ajay Makan.
You see, 1
and this is what is the validity of
What is
his
going
statement,
on?
if you are going to rely upon that.
Jai Narayan Vyas, please, I know you can hear me. You're pretending you can't hear me, but hear me. Please hear me. You can hear me and I can hear you. So you
No,
must
I listen
allow
you
me
loud
to
and clear,
intervene.
Arnab.
Thank you.
I don't pretend.
Thank you. No,
Please go ahead.
please.
Please go ahead. It's your
1
privilege.
second, please. I'm just making one small point. Don't react to that. I asked you a question. That is Ajay Makan right in saying that the assembly session of Gujarat happens with opposition MLAs out of the House and the Gujarat CAG report not discussed in the assembly? Why am I going into details? I want to explain this to our viewers. I am going into details because I believe that today a lot of charges are being hurled because of to get attention, to get rhetoric, to get audience attention. They are not based on fact. No, 1 minute, Mr. Jha, Mr. Vyas, 1 minute. Don't get angry. I will question everything today. Everything. I question the other side also.
Why are you being impatient, Arnab?
I am not impatient,
listening
sir.
to you. I am neither angry. I am as comfortable as you may be sitting in that hot seat. I have absolutely no anger.
I'm thankful.
I have not learned to be angry on some false
Thank
charges.
you. I'm happy you're comfortable. I'm comfortable. You're okay and I'm okay. The fact is in March 2012, it is true that
Absolutely,
the Gujarat government suspended the entire opposition from the State Assembly to ensure that the tabling of the CAG report, which was critical of the Gujarat government. Now I move to question number 2. Look at the Congress party. 1 second. Now let's expose the Congress party. The Congress party says...
No, let me answer, Arnab. Now you have made your point. Let it not go uncontested. Are you trying to tell me, Arnab Goswami, tell to the nation that the assemblies are run by the governments? Assemblies are not run by the government. Assembly is run by the speaker. Assembly is run by the members in the house. Assembly is not run by... So government of Gujarat cannot throw somebody out of the assembly. Government has no business to do that.
There's only one thing.
This is a blatant lie.
There's the one... I don't lie. I live in a real world, not a theoretical world. Now,
No,
I want
not
to
you.
say something to the
Whoever
Congress.
said it.
No, 1 second. Fine. Okay. Fine. You're okay. I'm okay. That's the rule tonight. I'm
Go
asking
ahead.
a question to
Go
the
ahead.
Congress party. Do I have your permission, Jai Narayan Vyas, to ask a question to the Congress party? You are tonight so angry that it seems you will take over my job.
Arnab, go
My
ahead.
question to the Congress party is this. The Congress...
Mr. Vyas,
No, 1 sec.
Yeah.
The Congress says, listen here, the Congress says that, it's so terrible that there is no fully functioning State Human Rights Commission in Gujarat. So terrible. Now, Sanjay, how hypocritical. How totally hypocritical. The Maharashtra Human Rights Commission, and you are in Mumbai, did not have a chairman for more than 18 months. It finally got one in September. Hello, who are you to preach to on the other side?
Well, let me tell you.
No, who are you to
minute.
preach to
1
the other
minute.
side?
1 minute.
Is it true that the Maharashtra Human Rights Commission did not have a chairman for more than 18 months? Should that also be said by Ajay Makan in the course of his statement today that they don't do their job, we don't do our job either? Would you admit that?
He's not commenting on the various
First of all, am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong?
He's commenting on the issue of Gujarat. I think that's what we need to
So
focus
why
on.
does-
And I want to make a point here to what Mr. Vyas is saying.
I
Mr.
get-
Vyas, just
No,
a
you
simple question.
didn't. You answer my question.
1 minute.
You answer my
Why-
question.
when Mr.
You answer my question
when
and my
Ajay
charge.
Makan is writing writing a
let the House
letter
be in
about
order.
Gujarat.
Arnab, let
He's
the House
going
be
to
in order.
comment on the
Arnab,
matters
let the House
related
be
to
in
the
order.
state of Gujarat. Mr.
No, no.
Vyas,
No, 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 you
Mr.
answer
Vyas,
my
can
question.
we have your silence, please, for a
Sanjay
couple
Jha,
of seconds?
Sanjay Jha, can I have
I'm
your
not
silence
able
for
to
a
get
second?
your voice. Arnab, I'm not able to get you.
No, it's me who's
I am not
talking.
able
This
to
is
get
Sanjay
you.
Jha
I am not
speaking.
able to get you.
You can't hear Arnab because it is me speaking, Mr.
If
Vyas.
you allow Arnab
if
to-
you're silent, you can hear me. My question is...
No, one sec. Sanjay Jha, I'm interrupting you.
Yeah.
I'm interrupting. You see, may I please take
No,
back...
you are not the anchor, Mr. Sanjay Jha. Don't take
you are.
up Arnab
Mr. Vyas,
Goswami's
you are.
place.
I completely forgot
His
you
job
are.
will be in
Can I
difficulty.
can I apologize to you, Mr. Vyas?
You see, there's
Please.
one second.
No, I am not. I am not. Since you are assuming that role, I am just politely and humbly reminding you.
What's going on here tonight? 1 second. Please, between both of you gentlemen, please, I'll get sandwiched. But Pawan Verma, look at what's going on here. Look at Ashok Malik, look at what. I am only saying I will...
I think we should discuss the facts on Sardar Patel.
I think I explain.
I think the entire fascist story is based on Sardar
No,
Patel.
no, 1 second.
And the way in broad daylight.
You can't tell me what I should
broad
look
daylight
at.
without wearing a mask. There's a robbery going on. It's not appropriation. It's
I
a
only...
robbery going on.
When I was
It's
a child...
fascist ideology at play.
When
the way the BJP is trying to hijack Sardar Patel, I think is an ultimate joke. I think this country should stand up
Sanjay,
today.
have you
Look at
finished?
that advertisement of Narendra Modi.
One second.
It is not anybody's monopoly. Sardar Patel is country's legacy. It is not monopoly of Congress either.
Sanjay, please, I request you. No, I'm requesting you. No, I'm requesting you. You please keep...
a great Congress
First
leader.
of all,
Thank you very much.
Sanjay, if you don't
Please
stop...
also acknowledge that he banned your RSS for creating an environment
Now,
of
Sanjay,
hate
you
to
must-
There's no
RSS.
question of
That
hijacking
resulted in
anybody.
assassination of Mahatma
No, 1
Gandhi.
second.
You are not taken patent of
I'm
Mr.
sorry,
You
Sardar.
are in government for last 10 years.
1 minute.
What happened? Why didn't you ban us?
Please.
You have been in government for last 10
May I
years.
just
Why
make
didn't
one
you ban
observation at this
RSS if
point?
that's the case?
1 minute. May I come in?
So stop making rhetoric, Mr.
First of all-
Jha.
And why RSS was
Come
called
to
at the
the facts.
Republican
Please,
parade in
That
1963?
You have
Siddharth,
please,
mismanaged
please,
this country
Sanjay.
for last 10 years.
Please, Sanjay. Please, I request you. First of all, I request, we have some time. And why is everybody getting so hassled when I'm saying I'm going to expose every point of view tonight? I'm exposing points of view. I don't believe, Artosh, in, this has gone on for too long. Everything that a
After you should
politician
give-
says is...
After your question, give time to everybody to speak.
Arnab,
Yeah, if I... No. I'm saying Lokayukta. Let me give one more example, Pawan Verma. Lokayukta. Now, they say that the Gujarat Lokayukta doesn't do its job, etc., etc. You've got a lot of peeves against the Lokayukta. The Maharashtra Lokayukta, according to RTI reports, has not launched a single probe since 2007. 1,680 complaints went unattended. $1,680 complaints go unattended. You don't launch a single case since 2007. So say that the BJP does not, that a Lokayukta function, neither do...
That's for the Lokayukta to answer. How can we interfere
Well,
in that?
sure you
But
can't.
at least our Lokayukta has got powers, unlike the Gujarat government. Where Narendra Modi...
Pawan Verma coming back.
tries to hide his own by weakening
What a
his own
joke.
state apparatus. It's a joke.
What
I
a
think the
joke,
entire
what a
country
joke.
knows
The
about
Lokayukta
the
is sitting
duplicitous
idle like a
methods
lame
of
duck
Mr.
in
Narendra Modi's
Maharashtra.
government in
Once,
Gujarat.
Sanjay Jha, 1 minute.
Congress's style of working.
I get it, Hartosh Singh Bal into the debate. Hartosh, when the problem is we are not looking at things in detail. When you look at things in detail, you actually realize that a lot of the rhetoric is fluff. Don't you?
Arnab, we are seeing an election of competing half-truths. And these politicians in today's debate is emblematic. They are so self-obsessed and so involved in shouting at each other that they don't believe that people standing outside this debate can actually see the farce for what it is. And this is how this campaign is unfolding. This is how this discussion is unfolding.